Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix too many requests when trying to log in Outlook or Hotmail. So if you have this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to click on the three dots on the top right corner. After that, you need to scroll down till you see the settings button as you see from here. Click on it. And now from here, from the settings, you need to search for passwords. So scroll down till you see the password settings, click on it, and from here you'll see all the passwords saved on your browser. And now from here you can just search for Outlook or Hotmail and you can just click on the password and you can delete it as you see from here. So just delete all the passwords for Outlook and Hotmail. After that, again you need to click on the three dots as you see from here and go to the settings again. Now you need to search for extensions. As you see from here, you will find your installed extensions. You can just click on it, and from here, turn off these extensions one by one. So these extensions may actually interrupt the work of your browser. So they may actually cause problems when you log into other websites or something. So try to see if that is the problem or not. So after that, if the last method didn't help you, try to log in again with your Outlook or Hotmail account. After you do that, just type your account and hit on next. If you get too many requests again, try to just refresh and refresh and refresh and refresh again till the problem get fixed. So if it turns you back to this website and tell you to sign in again and gives you the name of the problem like wrong password or something, try to write the right credentials and then click on next. If you get the same problem again, try to refresh until you get signed into your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.